What's up, YouTube? I'm Steven. Thanks for watching the Xhausted channel. Over the course of the next time it takes to finish, I'll be working on this little Harbor Freight 6.5 horsepower 224 Predator engine. And when I'm done, I'd like it to have like a cruiser, polished hot rod, kind of reliable performer, like well-rounded engine. Got some cool parts gonna be sticking in here. This is just straight out of the box, just like every one that you'd ever see. So, and these are the Ducar blocks. And stay tuned. This thing's gonna be shining. It's gonna be bling bling. It's gonna be awesome. And I don't even really have anything to put it on yet. I could put it on my other cart, but like motor swap. But we'll see. We'll see. Only time will tell. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble this engine real quick. Pop that out in a second. America. Way of doing it all together. Okay, just real quick, I'm gonna check this factory coil gap just to see where they had it. Ten units snug. 11 super snug. It's about 11 thousandths on the top here. Much looser on the bottom here. $22,000 on the bottom here. Pretty big difference there. That metal pile. that's most of it. So it's almost ready to polish, I guess you'd say. All I gotta do is pull these studs just to make the work easier and better. Pull flywheel. If you want to see a video on that, that's easy to find. How to pull a flywheel on Predator engine. That's mostly the disassembly on this engine. I'm gonna hit the sack for the night, and tomorrow when I get some time, hopefully I'll start to be able to kind of do the cooling modifications per se, and then polishing this engine, at least the beginnings of it. Keep watching. And I'm sanding a lot, pretty much stuff like that. It's gonna get polished. Got to get a decent finish on it. That's like natural. That's what the engine looked like. That's what we're getting to. I gotta sand all these little nooks and crannies and fins and just everywhere. Sand the whole, everything that's gonna be seen down. And then got some other neat little finishing things I'm gonna do. And I'll catch you up in a minute. All right, so totally forgot to record much while I was sanding. I got most of it sanded down pretty fine. Got some little like cooling notches in it, just trying to make it like look cool. And so that's the underside. Started buffing it a little bit, and just in the places that are like gonna be shown, the blower cover is gonna cover that up. And got to prep this block. It's already got a little bit of metal flake stuff in it. It's kind of crazy that they're big as they are, and I've never run it. So the break-in process is gonna be lots of oil changes and the typical. I like to sand off these little sharp edges. Some usually around the lifter bores. These are pretty smooth on this one. Not too shabby. Around the oil sensor hole for sure before I tap that and all. Yep. So I'm gonna do some more cutting and try to keep you more updated this time. But yeah, like a preliminary polish. And once I get it started to get closer to reassembly, I'll do more like a final or a secondary finish. And yeah, it'll look good when it's all buttoned up and got a cool little combination of parts going in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand these little areas like what I previously said, and tap these holes for the governor and tap out the actual governor part itself. I like to just take a punch and just knock it out. But, to each his own. Anyway, let's update. That's where I'm at.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long, but I'm back again. Yeah, I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind.